Welcome to TradeTheNBA.com. This is John. This report is for the 19th, special day. It's my Grace's birthday, now 17. Oh, what does the time fly? Mamma mia. Anyway, the market doing, well, same thing it's been doing since Powell decided to jump in with the all is safe to pile on as much money and that I'm going to make it cheaper and cheaper. So, yeah, we got a pretty good break at all positive extremes. So, from the initial move, not to mention, we still have a couple of positive extremes going all the way back to the beginning of this. So, as this gets further, your retrace to fill those becomes far more exponentially large. And in this particular case, we're well past parabolic, so there's no question there's going to have to be some pullback within it. But right now it's Santa time, the exuberance. We keep going. We just keep going. There's no shorts anyway. You look at the MBI reading, complete fade, even from a Nasdaq standpoint here. MBI magenta well over the 33, strong above the yellow. Shakeout continuing to rise, so all congruent. And it was only the Nasdaq that had the brief moment of the cyan moving above red. The S&P hasn't changed at all, so it's kind of been a no-brainer, not really required to do anything. This is just amazing stuff. Bond market excess to the downside for higher yields, and now dropping yields past where the Fed is currently, with the expectation that immediately rates are going to fall. Immediately operating at a speed of, tomorrow is already here. Well, which is what futures do to a large degree. But if there's even a pause or a suspension in that, talk about being way upside down on the move. Crazy stuff. Oil creeping back up. We got some tensions building in the Red Sea area there. Shipping has already begun stopping. Yeah, so that's not going to take much to see a significant move in oil if any of those kinds of escalations increase. And this becomes those unknowns that can throw a monkey wrench into all of these wonderful re-election plans and setups that are taking place. Dollar continuing to suffer to the euro as it pops back up. Yes, it's a ridiculous level for the euro given what the eurozone looks like, but let's not argue with the Santa Claus. Everybody's happy. Gold is probably the only one who's not making people happy. Any reason that it shouldn't be moving? No, actually, there's a lot of reasons it should be moving, except for the fact that as long as you have that paper market control, and you can see the record amounts of buying from China and other sources of gold, it's pretty significant. And Bitcoin popping back off at 76%. No surprise. What a surprise. Yeah, we knew exactly that that was going to hold. We had the nice visit from the steel coming up from underneath. Not a problem. Same thing with ETH. So the cryptos are doing their part where gold has a little bit more difficulty in it. From our view of the 50K, it bought the little dip and sold it near the peak there. So beautiful, clean, simple, pretty straightforward action right now. We're in just a modest bounce, but we go back to yesterday. It was fairly boring. We started off pre-market with the rise and then just kept making little pops up in there. Nothing overdone, positive extremes that were started, came back, got filled, all clean. Let's get some eggnog. We're all good. Anyway, anything relevant, I'll put it on the Skype chat. Have a good one. Trade well.